Let's begin with the physical properties of amines. First property we are discussing is the boiling point of amines. The boiling point of amines is increased with increasing relative molecular mass. The lower aliphatic amines are gases or low boiling liquids, and when we go from lower to higher aliphatic amines, boiling point increases because molecular mass increases. Now amines, here RNH2. Amines are polar compound, and both primary and secondary amines associate to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In this diagram, you can see there is a primary amine and number of primary amines molecule associated with each other through intermolecular hydrogen bonding between nitrogen of one amine and hydrogen atom of other amine. So because of this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, melting point and boiling point of amines are quite higher. Now, here in this table, there is boiling point of ethane, methanamine and methanol, which are having comparable molecular weight. Here, ethane, its boiling point is very low, that is minus 84 degrees centigrade, while amine, methanamine, its boiling point is minus 7 degree, which is quite higher than alkane. But if we compare boiling point of amine and alcohol, alcohol's boiling point is much more higher, that is 65 degrees centigrade than the amine. So from this, one thing is clear, that the boiling point of amines are higher than alkanes. Boiling point of amines are higher than alkane of similar mass, but lower than alcohols of similar mass. The reason behind this is amines generally have lower boiling point than alcohols of comparable molar mass because amines have weaker hydrogen bonds than alcohol. Hydrogen bond in methylamine are weaker because nitrogen atom is less electronegative than oxygen. Hence, it requires less energy to break the weaker intermolecular forces. So, methylamine has a lower boiling point than methanol. Methylamine is gas at room temperature. And why alkanes have lower boiling point? All of you know that there is no hydrogen bonding present in alkane. Here, if we compare the boiling points of primary, secondary and tertiary amine, then it is observed that for isomeric amines, the boiling point decreases in the order, like primary amines have higher boiling point than secondary and then tertiary amines. Now, why primary amines has higher boiling point? See here the example. This is 1-propanamine. It's a primary amine whose boiling point is 48.6 degree. While N-methyl ethanamine, it is a secondary amine and its boiling point is comparatively low. It is a 37 degree. While NN dimethyl methanamine, It's a tertiary amine and its boiling point is very low. It's only 3.5 degree. See here, all these three examples, they have same molecular formula, that is C3H9N, and their molecular mass is 59. Here you can see, though all the three amines have same molecular formula, same molecular mass, but their boiling point is very different, or it is in decreasing order. The reason behind this is decrease in intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Primary amines has two hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen. So it can form total 3 hydrogen bonds, one with nitrogen and two with hydrogen. While secondary amines can form only 2 hydrogen bonds, and tertiary amines, they form very low hydrogen or almost nil hydrogen bonds because of even steric hindrance. So, as there is a decrease in intermolecular hydrogen bonding from primary, secondary to tertiary amines, boiling point decreases in the same order. Next physical property of amines, that amines are basic in nature. These are the organic compounds. These are rather the only organic compounds which are basic in nature. Now, why amines are basic in nature? Because in amines there is nitrogen atom, and nitrogen atom, it carries lone pair of electron. That's why amines are Lewis bases, that is electron donors, and their basicity enormously changed by the nature of the substituent attached to the nitrogen. See here, any factor that increases the electron density on nitrogen atom increases the amine basicity. Here you can see ammonia, it has all the 3 hydrogen atoms attached to it. But when we go from primary amine to secondary and secondary to tertiary, hydrogen atoms one by one get replaced with alkyl group. And alkyl groups have electron donating ability because they shows, alkyl group shows plus I effect. So as alkyl groups increases the electron density on nitrogen, it can easily donate the lone pair of electron, and hence alkylated ammonia are strong base. So as the number of alkyl groups increases, alkyl groups show electron donating effect, and hence electron density on nitrogen atom increases, which definitely help it to donate the electron, and basicity of amines increase. So here what we expect, that basicity should increase in this order. Like tertiary amines, its basicity should be more than secondary, primary, and ammonia is the least basic. But if you see these pK values of various amines, here first we'll see ammonia. its pK value is 9.25. And always remember, as pK value increases, basicity increases. Okay. Now, here, methylamine, it is 10.64, while ethylamine, it is 10.67. These are primary amines. Here, these two are secondary amines, and these are tertiary amines. If you look carefully, it is observed that if we compare the basicity of primary, secondary, and tertiary, it is observed that basicity of secondary amines is more than the tertiary and primary amines. Just we discussed the alkyl group effect. As number of alkyl groups increases, basicity increases. So we expect tertiary amine should be more basic than the secondary. But here it is observed that secondary amines are more basic. Because here, though alkyl groups in tertiary amines, there are 3 alkyl groups, and no doubt they increases the electron density on nitrogen atom. But along with these, other factor is also working, that is the steric hindrance. As nitrogen atom is surrounded with 3 alkyl groups, steric hindrance increases and it becomes difficult for nitrogen to donate its electron pair to the Lewis acid like H+. Suppose this is Lewis acid, it becomes difficult to the nitrogen because of these 3 bigger groups. They surround the nitrogen and nitrogen cannot easily donate that electron pair to the Lewis acid. Hence, tertiary amines are less basic than secondary amines. Here, instead of alkyl group effect, steric effect also play an important role. Remaining part, that is basicity of aromatic amines, will discuss in next video.